Welcome to 6746 Walnut Lane in Coopersburg, where modern convenience meets old world charm. As soon as you enter the home, you're greeted by these Charlemagne oak wood floors. And you can make your way over into the office front room with bay window, wall treatments, baseboard trim, and built-in shelving. As you move your way towards the half bath, you'll notice the reclaimed barnwood custom stairs. Now into the half bath with new tile floors, vanity and toilet, wall treatments, and custom wood plank ceilings. In the living room, this stunning fireplace is completed with this beautiful 1800s custom wood mantle. And you'll also notice the custom bookshelf with copper rods. And now we've made our way into the kitchen, which is really straight out of a magazine, as is the whole house, but this kitchen is something else. All brand new Café appliances, quartz countertops, a Kohler farmhouse sink, Delta faucet, reclaimed barnwood open shelving, recessed lighting, a custom range hood that comes off with storage, antique pendant light, new blinds, built-in antique cabinets, and this custom old door actually taken out of an old office building from Hershey's Chocolates. Now this is not your average laundry room. This has 10-foot high ceilings with wood beams, recessed lighting, elongated subway tile, custom floating shelves, a custom built sink and cabinet, penny tile floors, and wall treatment with peg rail. And now into your huge 3-car garage with workspace. Into the dining room with the new Anthropology light fixture, custom shelving, built-in cabinets, shiplap, molding, and peg rail. as you make your way into the basement, down these beautiful carpet runners with this life-proof luxury vinyl floor, multiple storage closet, chair rails, and picture frame molding. Really is an awesome space to hang out, play some games. In the first room upstairs, we have engineered hardwood floors, beadboard and chair rail, a Lulu and Georgia pendant lighting, linen blinds. And one thing that's really cool about all the wallpaper throughout the entire house is it's all peel and stick. So if it's not to your liking, you can peel it right off like a sticker. Don't have to worry about blow drying and all the tedious tasks of your normal wallpaper. In this next room, we have custom barnwood doors for the closet, built-in cabinets with floating shelves and extra storage, skinny lap wall treatment, hunter fan, and linen blinds. In the hallway bath, once again, everything redone, starting at the top with this custom plank ceilings, all new shower with shelf inlay, European brass rainfall shower head, farmhouse sink vanity with a bridge brass faucet, basket woven travertine floors, and shiplap treatment. Also a nice splash with a Zia tile on the side. Now into the primary bedroom with custom shelving, a reclaimed door, new blinds, shiplap with maple ledge, walk-in closet, now into the primary bathroom with this antique medicine cabinet, shiplap and peg rail, wall treatments, nice big linen pantry. And this really does remind me of all the modern conveniences with old world charm.